Hi boys and girls, I'm Teacher Shella, and our topic is about addition of similar fractions. To add similar fractions, add the numerators of the adders, then copy the common denominator, express the sum in simplest form. Let's do this. We have the given number of 3/8 plus 4/8. So, first we will add the numerator. So the numerators are 3 plus 4. Because the denominator is the same, we will just copy it. So it's equal to 3 plus 4 is 7, and copy the denominator of 8. So we can say that 3/8 plus 4/8 is equal to 7/8. Another one. So to add mixed numbers with similar fractional parts, add the whole numbers. Then add similar fractions. Express the result in its simplest form. So to get this, we have the given fraction of 3 and 1/5 plus 2 and 3/5. First, we will get the whole number. So, what is the whole number here? The whole number here is 3 and 2. So, we will add the whole number first. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, we have the equal of 5. And that will be the whole number. So, now, let's add the similar fraction. We will add 1 plus 3. Then copy the denominator of 5. So we can say that 1 plus 3 equals 4, and then copy the denominator of 5. So now we can say that 3 and 1/5 plus 2 and 3/5 is equal to 5 and 4/5. This will be the answer. Okay. Now, try it on your own. Okay? Copy this and answer in your math notebook. This would be the proof that you did your homework. Okay? So, if you have any questions, we can answer that in class. Good luck!